Hey there, this is Doña
Yeah, Patrick again. Hi.
and today we show you a little bit more spice up to our last drum. So I start now and explain it to you, and Patrick will show you other thing and also a strum from the last real tutorial. All links will be below this video. So let's go ahead.
Right.
So, sweet Yukis, last week Patrick showed us the island strum in the Spanish version, like this: down, down, up, mute, up, knock, knock. And I rebuilt it a little bit in the Spanish version, and I did like down, down, up, mute, up, knock. So you curl with the second down strum your fingers over the string, pretty relaxed, like the queen is waving. Okay, down, down, up, then the same like Patrick did, mute, up, and knock, and then you can curl again so you have more Spanish flavor. And now, Patrick, please show us what you did in the last tutorial on Instagram, where you made that reel with this classic. And this is also possible to use it as a Spanish flair because it comes from the Spanish technique. It's your time.
This is the challenge for today.
Excellent. So you did it with your ring finger and then the pinky.
So first, thumb goes up, ring finger down, and pinky down. So just open your hand. Just open your hand and
Okay, but I can do it also vice versa. I start with the pinky and then the ring. Perfect. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and we see you the next Saturday. If there are any further questions about the tutorial, feel free to ask us, and much mahola to watch us. See you.